Good morning and welcome to InfoComm 2025. I'm Will Tripp with HP Poly. And in this section of the SYNNEX booth, I want to show you our HP Poly video bars and controllers. So what we're looking at here is our X52 all-in-one video bar that is a great size for medium conference rooms. This is all-in-one, has your voice and your video built into one bar with amazing technologies like Noise Block AI that helps block out some of the background noise for the people attending on the far end. We've got this coupled with our TC10 controller on the table, and you're seeing a screenshot of what the TC10 controller looks like. The TC10 controller can function to help join your meeting as well as help set up your meetings, and you can dial in by simply walking in and touching the button. As we come out, I want to show you a different piece of the TC10 controller. It's the same exact unit that you saw inside the conference room, but in this mode we have it set up as a scheduler. So again, the same exact controller but set up on the outside of the wall as a scheduler, so you can walk up to any conference room and look and see what's going on, or you can see if it's available like it's showing today. Click on the reserve button and you've reserved that conference room for the day. Thanks for coming by to check us out. We appreciate it. If you have any more questions, please visit us at tdsynnex.com.